We had a really popular customer that was named Joel Johnson who was adamantly against BG, to the point where our previous service manager had the advisors put on the ticket, do not sell Mr. Johnson BG products. Well, it got to the point where I came around and I had some curiosity, and I said, hey, Mr. Customer, I see you have this note on your ticket. What's going on? He told me the exact complaint that a lot of people have. I don't want the BG. Don't sell it to me. It sounds like an upsell. It's just not going to work. Well, a couple more times came around, and I let him know, like, hey, let's just get some oil conditioner in there. Let's make sure it's running a little bit better. You keep coming in for your oil change. Your oil change keeps coming out black. That's going to be because mineral deposits and stuff are building up and they're not getting flushed out, or your oil is getting too hot inside of there. We let him try that. He brings it back. My transmission's shifting hard. What should I do? My first thing, Mr. Customer, I know that you're not a big fan of BG services. Let me do a transmission service on that vehicle. We go ahead and do a transmission service. Takes away the shifting problem. He comes back a couple more times. We do a cooling system service with BG. We do a brake fluid service with BG. Well, it gets to the point where we're about 8 months later. We haven't seen him, wondering what's going on, and we have this community event that we go to. Well, during this community event, Mr. Customer actually just comes right up to us and super happy, super adamant that he hasn't had to see us in a while. He actually missed us because he hasn't got to come to the shop, and says that his vehicles are running amazing. At the same time, he's also brought us one of his newer vehicles, and we did all the services on it, and that vehicle hasn't been back just yet. It's running perfectly, super happy.